Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat device ban problem. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that when you try to log in your Snapchat account, if you are getting the error like this when you log in your Snapchat account and it's not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all, you have to close this page. Let me tell you that if you want to create Snapchat account on your phone and you have created too many accounts, okay guys, within no frame of time, maybe that's why it's not working and your device is banned. Okay guys, so you cannot create or log in your Snapchat account on the device. Okay guys, so how can you fix it? Just simply you have to open any browser and just simply you have to search for Snapchat support. Here it is. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on submit request. First of all, you have to submit your request. I can't access account. You can also select anyone from here. My account is logged. Scroll it down. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on learn more. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down again. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on here. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down again, tap on cross icon. Now tap on this article didn't answer my question, tap on submit. Now your request has been submitted. Now it's done from here guys. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you are using latest version of the app. Okay guys, for that you have to open Play Store or App Store and just simply have to update the Snapchat app, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you can create your account on the other device and you can try to log in your account here. Okay guys, and if it's still not working, then it means your device has been banned for some time. So they mention the time here. So if they mention the time here, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down, tap on general. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on date and time. So just simply you have to select your date and time above. Okay guys, if your device is banned for 1 month, just simply you have to select your date above month. Okay guys, so just simply you have to select your date. Maybe some of the apps will not work for you by doing that, but you can use Snapchat on this device very easily because your date is above. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.